Have you ever gotten home from the field, go to charge up your pack, and cell voltage low? You can't charge it because your battery has been over-discharged. What do? First thing you do is you get out your voltmeter, and you need to check each cell individually, determine what the voltage is. It's important to use a voltmeter because when your cells are too low, cell checkers don't always work accurately. I've already checked this with a voltmeter, and I'm going to show you with a cell checker just because it's quick and easy, and we'll walk you right through the cells. 11 volts, that's not good. 1.7, 2.8 ounces, out of balance. There's a decent cell. Oh, 4 cell won't even be red. So this battery is in bad shape. It's been dragged through the dirt, essentially, and doesn't want to charge anymore in lipo mode. So the trick is you want to use NiM mode, which basically forces voltage into the battery in order to bring this thing back to life. Now I'm using 0.8 amps. This is a 1500 milliamp hour battery. So you'd normally, lithium mode, charge it at 1.5 amps. So I'm cutting it in half because I want to be safe. Now it's important that you're checking the cell here to make sure it's not getting hot. And you're staying right with the charger. You see my hands like on the button. I'm wanting to be in direct monitoring of it because you're only going to have to do this for a couple of minutes at max. The NiM mode will go through pulses, and it's going to throw in amps and then pause and let it sit, and the voltage will drop back down. It's kind of like the opposite of the way your battery sags. So it's dropping in volts. It's going to go up and up and up. What we want to do is we want to get back to at least 3 volts per cell. So this is a 4 cell, we're already at 12 volts, 49 seconds in, that's enough. So now we can go right back over to lithium mode, balance, and it'll charge like normal. Just like that. Recovered it. It took, 45 seconds? Again, the important thing here is you are directly in front of the charger working it. The thing about NiM mode is it's not going to just stop when each cell gets to 4.2 because it doesn't think that it's charging lithiums. So it doesn't know that it's supposed to stop at 4.2. I'm going to do it again here. First, I'll show you what happens if we try and charge it 4S. The cell voltage too low. So we're going to go to NiM. 0.8 is half of its normal C rating. And we're charging it again. And you see it goes up really quickly from 8 volts, and we just want to get it back up a little over 12. And again, it's going to be dumping in amps right now, so the cell voltage is going to go up quickly. But as soon as it stops dumping in amps, you'll see where it sags back down to, and that's approximately the real value. So with no amps going in, it's still below 12, so we'll need at least one more cycle. We'll just stay right here and watch it. Don't leave the room with this thing going. This is a good way to catch things on fire if you just let it keep going. So amps are going in. We're getting back up over 12. Just a little bit longer. That's going to be enough. And now as I jump back over to lithium mode, everything checks out. That one, look, cell 1 is really low. One more example for you. My brother was kind enough to damage all his batteries for this demonstration. Oh, I love him. But he's still learning. It's all good. We all have crushed batteries. Cell voltage low. Same thing here. So we're going to NiM. Get it down to half C rating. Fire it up. This one's not as bad. 11.7 starting point. Probably will have to do one cycle here. But if we were to leave this alone, it would just keep going and going and going, and eventually catch the battery on fire. We don't want to do that. It's also important after you do this, you get the batteries recharged back up to full voltage. is that we go back and check the internal resistance. You see these two cells are really low, cells 1 and 2. Hopefully they'll recover and still balance properly. Normally I would let these just keep going until they were full, but let's just check the internal resistance and see what that looks like. 4, 4, 3, and 5. So it's okay. It's not a brand new cell anymore, even though these are like brand new packs. Don't even have dirt on them yet. And it will be different when it's discharged versus when it's full. You want to let it really get all the way back to full balance and then check the internal resistance. But for the sake of time, you just have to see it the way it is right now. Again, stay close. Do not let this go out while you're out of the room or on a phone call. You need to be right here with your hand on the button. It should not take more than a minute or two. I've had done 5 on some really big packs. It was at like 12,000 milliamp hours that I was trying to get back up, but still just stick to half a C rating. So, nice and slow, and it does not take very long. You just need to be with it and watching. Be careful. Good luck. Save some packs.